everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Anna, and in our channel we share recipe, workout routines, and everything else in between. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell, that way you will get notified whenever I upload the new videos. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining here with me today as I share you this another recipe. It's a chicken pad thai noodles. This is a gluten-free noodles, that way Charlotte and I can enjoy this dish. So let's get started, everyone. So in here, everyone, I be using a chicken. So in here I have 1 pound of chicken. This is a sliced chicken already when I bought it, and I'm using 1 cup of cabbage. Then I'll be using chestnuts, water. I have tomatoes in here that I took the seeds out before I slice it. Then I have some onions, black pepper. I'm not using all this black pepper, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. I'll be seasoning it with some garlic salt as well. And then I'm using this pad thai noodles that I bought from Walmart. And let me show you, everyone, this is the package of the pad thai noodles. Express rice noodles. It's a gluten-free, so it's a perfect noodles to use. And then I'll be using a little bit of salt, and then I also have soy sauce and ginger. So all the exact measurement for this recipe is gonna be listed down in the description below. So let's get started cooking, everyone. So everyone, I forgot to mention, we also gonna need oil. So I'm gonna be using the organic olive oil. This is the organic extra virgin olive oil. I got this from Walmart. So on this skillet, everyone, I'm gonna just put about 3 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing it, so that should be good. And I will let this oil get hot, and once it's ready, I'm gonna add my onions and ginger. Alright, everyone, the oil is ready. So now let's add our ginger. Let's add our onion. Alright, I'm gonna let this saute for about 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, 2 minutes is up. So now let's add our chicken. So let's just add our chicken. Alright, now let's add our soy sauce. Let's add our garlic salt. So with the garlic salt, everyone, I'm just eyeballing this. Maybe half a teaspoon. Let's start with half a teaspoon first. Alright, now we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon for that, not a lot. Now we'll just give this a mix. Just mix until all the ingredients are combined. Alright. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes. So I'm gonna put the cover and then let this cook for 8 minutes. Alright everyone, 8 minutes is done. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna add the chestnuts. My husband loved that. Then we're gonna add our cabbage. Then we're gonna add our tomatoes. And then I'm gonna see if we're gonna need salt later, okay? And then we're gonna add the pad thai noodles. A lot of people cook this with some coconut, but I don't wanna add coconut on this. So I'm just gonna cook it normal, no coconut. So this is gonna be a good meal to last us for a few days. My husband will enjoy this. Now we're gonna add our water. So since we add water, we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna cook this and see if we need more salt. So that was about half a teaspoon of salt. So now let's just give this a mix. Just slowly, because I don't want this to be everywhere. So if you don't like the chestnut, you don't have to add it, but I like to add different vegetables to my dish. Alright, this dish would be perfect for Charlotte and I, since we can't eat any noodles, regular noodles. Alright, so now I'm gonna bring this to boil and let this cook for another 5 minutes, okay? So I'll be back. Alright everyone, I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic salt, just a little. Now I'm gonna give this a mix. And that should be good, because I tasted it and it needed just a little bit of salt. I already add salt on this one. So now I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let this finish cooking and then I'll be back. Alright everyone, this is done cooking. So let's turn off the heat. And the taste is perfect. You know, I added a little bit of garlic salt, not so much. So if you want it to be more browner and have color, you can add more soy sauce. But I don't really want to use a lot of soy sauce, so I just want the flavor to be balanced. So now I'm gonna transfer this in the serving bowl. That way I can plate a little bit to show it to you. So I'll be back. So everyone, here is the my noodles after I put this in the plate. So it is very delicious everyone, and I actually love this taste. So I hope that you enjoy this recipe everyone, and if you have any recipe requests, please let me know in the comments below. And also if you want the exact measurement of this recipe, it is listed in the description below as well. So thank you for watching everyone, and I hope that you enjoy this chicken pad thai noodles. This is a gluten-free, so if you are allergic into gluten, so this is a perfect recipe for you. So thank you everyone, and I will see you all again on our next video. Bye bye everyone. Have a great day.